Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and I'd like to welcome you here. If you're a brand new subscriber, thank you for stopping by. Be sure to hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell and click that you want to receive my upcoming videos, and you'll get notifications as soon as I post them. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for coming back. I'm having technical difficulties tonight, I'm not going to lie. I don't know how many times this is take 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know, maybe we're up to 5. But I'm determined I'm going to do this. So I have a small unboxing for you. Like I said, I'm redoing it, so here we go, start from fresh again. Very small unboxing. Many of you, if you don't know, every month I put up a host code on my online store at www.stampinsucreates.stampinup.net. And on there with the host code, if you place an order through my online store of $50 or more, I give away a free gift. So I am way behind on sending out my free gifts, and I am so sorry for that. Personal issues in my life, my mom was sick and then she passed away, so there's been a lot going on, and I so apologize for not getting your gifts out on time. Normally I do get them out on time, so I feel so bad for that. But January, I'm going to explain what I'm going to do to make up for that. So January, what I was giving away was a free Simply chamois. And if you're wondering what these are just wet, just with plain old H2O, plain old water. And you use them to clean your stamps. And you just rinse them out. You can throw them in the washer. You could do those kinds, excuse me, kinds of things. When it air dries, it gets like real hard. So you'll see it's kind of soft and mushy right now. Sometimes you'll even see a little bit of condensation in there, but it's not going to ruin them. But this was the gift for January. So be sure to click on over there on my online store. Did I say though what they're... I don't even remember if I said what it was. It's www.stampinsucreates.stampinup.net. And I know that's a lot to remember, but you'll find me everywhere in all my social medias, Stampin' Sue Creates. So I'll try to make that easy for you. So anyway, I do have a free gift I'm giving away over there for February, but I do have to put my foot down because there's been a lot of you that are like, oh, I didn't use the code, I didn't use this, I didn't do that. But starting in February, you have to use the code and place a $50 order or more in order to receive the gift. Because what I do is, so I can give you these fantastic giveaways, I use the host benefits. So it goes in as though I'm having a party. So I can offer you these types of things because it's not costing me a lot out of my pocket. And you know, I have a small base business, and I like to offer you thank you gifts for ordering from me. Now, if you have a $150 order or more, don't use the host code. You'll still receive the monthly giveaway. And by not using the host code, you are the hostess. So you get the minimum of $15 of free items, and you'll also get my free item that I send out the following month. So to make up for my lateness, December's and January's, I am giving away something for everyone that placed an order. So if you did $50 or more in January, you'll be receiving a chamois and maybe a little something else. If you place less than and you didn't use the host code, I'm still going to send something out for you as well, because I apologize for being late. And these items are going to be going out on Friday, I promise. These were the last couple stragglers that I needed to get in order to put my pink envelopes together. So you'll want to make sure to look for those in the mail if you did place an order with me. And I just thank you so much for being loyal customers. And I like to give back when you give to me, because without you guys, I really wouldn't have a business. And I'm looking to further enhance this business and do things a lot more for customers and for my downline and things like that. So anywho, go ahead on there and check out what this month's host code is. And the free items are the little heart, they're little embellishments, little epoxy hearts, because it's Valentine's Day this month and it's the month of love, so why not, right? So what will happen then, you'll receive that in next month's mail. And if you're not a friend of mine over there on Stampin' Sue Creates on Facebook, be sure to head on over there and join my other group as well, because I do all sorts of fun things over there. I'm currently doing a contest for all you have to do is stamp something Valentine-wise and post it on over there. Now, I do hope that they're Stampin' Up related, like, I mean, by all rights, I'm promoting Stampin' Up. So you made something for Valentine's Day or whatever it could be. Post it over there. We're going to vote on that, and then somebody's going to receive a free gift. So, with all of that being said, the reason why it's being sent out on Friday is that my 14-year-old Lady Liberty has seen her days. So I am going tomorrow, and I'm very excited, nervous. Oh, I didn't sleep all night last night because I'm like, oh, can I do this? I haven't had a car payment in like 11 years, and I'm going to be into this car payment. I'm a nervous wreck, but I'm going to be so excited when I go and pick her up. She is a beautiful Nissan, oh my gosh, a Rogue. I was having a total brain fart, And somebody asked me, well, what color is she? And of course, most of my vehicles are she. She is beautiful shimmer white. So if you know our shimmer white cardstock, you can relate to how beautiful she's going to be. And I had to clean out Lady Liberty tonight, and it's kind of sad. She's kind of naked. And all her seat covers are gone, and everything's gone, and she's stripped down to her bare bones like I got her 14 years ago. But I'm excited about this, and it's because of all of you that helped me in order to make the payments, because I use my Stampin' Up! Money to help with all my extra things in life that, car is very important these days. So thank you all for that. And head on over to my social media, because I already posted a picture of what she's going to look like. I'm going to have to come up with a name for her. So if you have any ideas of what I should call her, leave them down below in the comments. So anyhow, where were we? I don't even know. But I'm doing my little unboxing. So I have a party to do. I have an actual workshop to do, and it's been so long. And I know a lot of the items are selling out with Stampin' Up!, unfortunately. So I wanted to get something to focus on the animal lovers in my life. And if you know, I am an animal lover. I have both a dog and a cat. My poor Tommy, I lost him in December, and it was kind of sad. And I miss him, and I think Dory misses him, and I know Aurora misses him. Dory's my cat, and Aurora's my dog. So some people aren't cat people, some people aren't dog people, so we're going to incorporate both of these at the party. And if you remember, this cat, we had a punch that came out last Halloween in the Last Occasions catalog. Well, that carried over, and it's in the catalog, so you can get, I know the dog and the punch, the cat and the punch, you can get them together or get them separate. So I got those. Like I said, it's a very small order. And then look how Stampin' Up! Just packages everything. They just want us to make sure that we get all of our items. And look how cute they are. So while I'm cutting this open, you all can look at them. And look at 9 Lives and Happy Tales. Isn't that just perfect? All right. It packages stuff very well. So I already had the cat punch from, it was like Halloween time I used that a lot. I purchased the bundle of the Happy Tales, and I saved myself 10%. Plus, of course, my demonstrator discount too. So I mean, this was really, let me take it out of the package. Sorry for the crinkle. But look at the punch. Oops. Try not to get that glare. Look at how cute that little punch is. Has a little dog and a little heart. And it is so cute. And look at this dog. You can make him like with spots. You can color in his ears and his chest and his nose. And here's a little heart here. And I love all the little things and little doghouse. So that is going to be so much fun to play with. And the cat one, 9 Lives. True love has 4 paws. A friend like you comes around once in 9 lives. You're the cat's meow. How many times have you said that to people? Or maybe you haven't, but you heard it. So, yes, this is my small little haul, y'all. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. And I am going to head off from here right now. I got to go put the rest of my thank you packages together. So if you placed an order, they're going out Friday. After work, I'm running right to the post office, and I know I'm going to have a lot to send out. But I just want to thank you all and know that how much I appreciate not only your friendship, your customer base, because I feel a lot of my customers are now my friends. I mean, we chat, we met through Stampin' Up, we're friends through Stampin' Up, and if it wasn't for Stampin' Up, there's so many of you out there that I would have never known. And being a demonstrator for, it's going to be 19 years this year, I have met so many wonderful people, demonstrators and customers and everyone, and I mean, where would I be without Stampin' Up? Nowhere. Nowhere. And because of Stampin' Up, I can purchase a used but new vehicle to me and make my life a little safer with driving and more dependable. And so if you want to book a workshop, I'm going to bring the old gal around, and everybody can see her, and we can have a good time, get some friends together. Let's go back to the old days when we had time to visit and laugh and share. And instead of texting and emailing, let's talk, like face to face. Let's talk. So give me a call if you want to do something. We'll put a fun workshop together, and everybody will have a blast, and they'll be talking about it from years to come. And then somebody else can say, hey, I want to have a party too, because we had so much at Jane's party. I want to have my own party. And what else? Get some free things. So if you're interested, give me a holler over at stampandsuecreates@gmail.com, and or text me or message me through Facebook or Instant Messenger, or however you want to get me. Just give me a holler. So thanks for the small unboxing and listening to my jibber jabber. I hope I'm not too annoying. But leave a comment down below if you have an idea of what I can call my new vehicle. She's beautiful in color. She's white, but if we go along with the Stampin' Up colors, she's a shimmer white, so she really shimmers. So everyone, have a great day, night, whatever time it is when you're watching this, and thanks for joining me, and I look forward to sharing a lot more projects with you in the future. We'll talk to you very soon. Bye for now.